Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the Gigastone 32GB DDR5 4800MHz RAM module. In a market saturated with expensive, high-end components, Gigastone aims to offer a more budget-friendly entry point into the world of DDR5. This particular module is a single 32GB UDIM stick running at a speed of 4,800 MHz with timings of CL40-40-40-77 and operating at a voltage of 1.1 V. It's a 288-pin unbuffered, non-ECC DMM, making it compatible with a wide range of modern desktop PCs that support DDR5. One of the key features of DDR5 is its improved power efficiency, and this Gigastone module includes a Power Management Integrated Circuit, or PMIC, which helps to regulate power delivery and reduce overall energy consumption. This is a welcome addition, especially for those looking to build a system that's both powerful and energy conscious. Now let's talk performance. While 4,800 MHz might not be the fastest DDR5 speed available, it's still a significant step up from DDR4. In testing, the Gigastone module performed admirably, providing a noticeable boost in overall system responsiveness and multitasking capabilities. Applications loaded faster, and gaming performance saw a decent improvement, especially in titles that are heavily reliant on memory bandwidth. The CL40 timings are a bit on the looser side, which might slightly impact performance compared to modules with tighter timings. However, for the average user, the difference is likely to be negligible, especially considering the price point of this Gigastone RAM. Installation is straightforward, as with any standard DMM. Simply slot the module into an available DDR5 slot on your motherboard, making sure to align the notch correctly. The system recognized the RAM without any issues, and XMP profiles were readily available for easy configuration. Overall, the Gigastone 32GB DDR5 4800 MHz RAM module is a solid option for those looking to upgrade to DDR5 without breaking the bank. It offers a good balance of performance, power efficiency, and affordability. While it might not be the fastest RAM on the market, it's a reliable and cost-effective choice for everyday computing, gaming, and content creation. If you're on a budget and looking to make the jump to DDR5, the Gigastone module is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.